Want to know how to use Salesflare for cross-selling and maximize your sales strategy? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the best way to leverage Salesflare to increase your revenue through effective cross-selling. So stay tuned and watch until the end. Salesflare is a powerful CRM tool designed to help you automate and optimize your sales processes, making it easier to track customer relationships and improve conversions. One of its most underrated features is its ability to help with cross-selling, which can significantly boost your sales without having to acquire new customers. When you log into Salesflare, the first thing you'll notice is the clean interface that simplifies managing customer data. You'll have all your relevant information right in front of you, everything from email conversations to task reminders, and most importantly, customer profiles. These profiles are what make cross-selling with Salesflare so effective. By having a clear overview of each customer's preferences, purchase history, and past interactions, you're empowered to suggest products or services that complement what they've already bought. The software's automation features are also key for cross-selling. You can set up automated workflows based on certain triggers, like product purchases or specific behaviors. For instance, when a customer buys a particular item, Salesflare can automatically send them a personalized email suggesting related products they might be interested in. This takes the guesswork out of the equation and allows you to engage customers at the right time with the right offer. Another thing that sets Salesflare apart is its ability to track all interactions with your clients, whether that's emails, calls, or meetings. This means you can monitor the best moments for pitching complementary products. By understanding how your customers communicate, you'll know exactly when to suggest additional services, making your cross-selling efforts more effective and less intrusive. What's really great about Salesflare is how it integrates seamlessly with other tools you may already be using, email marketing platforms, e-commerce sites, and more. This means you can track customer behavior across multiple touchpoints and get a 360-degree view of their buying habits. The result? You can anticipate their needs and suggest the perfect products, whether they're looking for upgrades, add-ons, or entirely new solutions. And here's the kicker. Salesflare helps you prioritize which cross-selling opportunities to pursue by scoring leads. The system's AI-driven insights analyze your customers' likelihood to buy, which helps you focus on high-value prospects. Instead of spending time on cold leads, you can strategically pursue customers who are most likely to respond to your cross-sell offers, improving your overall conversion rates. Before we wrap up, don't forget that you can use Salesflare for completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. You'll also get our exclusive bonuses, making it even easier to start using the software right away. So, in summary, Salesflare makes cross-selling easy by centralizing customer data, automating workflows, tracking interactions, and offering deep insights into customer behavior. By leveraging these features, you can drive more sales from existing customers, all while keeping the process efficient and automated. Now, if you want to try it out, remember that you have an exclusive extended free trial of Salesflare through the link below. Don't miss out on this great opportunity to level up your sales game.